we'll guide you through how to create a Telegram channel. If you find this guide useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. You first need to go and open up Telegram. On an Android, you need to go to the bottom right and click on the New Message button. On this screen, you'll then have the option for a new channel. Click there and we can then go and get started. So click on Create Channel. You can give it a name. You can click on the camera icon to the left to go and add an icon. You can then add a description, then click on Next in the top right like so. And you can then choose if you want the channel to be public or private. So in this case, I'll go and make it private. You can then choose who you want to add.